Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Kofi Emmanuel. Will you buy this, or this? Today I'm going to talk about these three devices that I just showed you. In photography or the creative world, some people will call it gears. Yes, you can say it's a gear. So this is a drone of which you can see on the market. On the normal day, you can get this for like 800, or let's say, looking at how prices of things are increasing, let's say 1,500 should be able to get you this. This on the normal day is around, let's say, 20,000 when you are going for the Pro Combo, but because, just like I said, prices of things are increasing on the daily basis, and also the dollar to CD rate keeps pushing up, so you can get this like let's say 28,000 with the Pro Combo. It comes with 3 batteries, then some other stuff. You don't have to waste your time going in for this, because this thing will just waste your money. You know, back in days when we wanted to explore, get to know how drone works, we were advised not to ever get one of this. This wasn't, purchased by me. It was purchased by one senior man of mine. But you can't fly this. This doesn't really have anything better to offer, okay? So maybe if you want to play along just to know how drone works, then you can just buy this toy drone for, just learning to fly and all that, because this can't withstand any amount of wind. Anytime the wind blows, it's going to blow this thing away. So I would never recommend even spending a peso just to get this. Instead of getting this, I will recommend going to get yourself some kebab. Instead, buy this. This worth thousands of Ghana cedis, and you know the advantages that comes with this is a lot. When you have this, you can even set up yourself as a drone pilot and just be using this to work. On the normal day, flying a drone to shoot a video in a funeral, or depending the kind of program, can earn you so much money. So I would recommend, instead of going in for this, you would rather buy this and then learn to fly it. It wouldn't take long learning to fly. In fact, it is so easy and simple, and I can bet you that with DJI drones, I've not been paid to do this, but I am telling you that based on my experience using this very drone, it is the best drone that you can have on the market. This drone is called the DJI Air 2S. It has 4 sensors at the front here, and what the sensors does is obstacle avoidance sensors. Okay, so anytime you are flying into something, these sensors are going to detect it, especially when your drone is either in the cine mode or normal mode. When you push it to the sport mode, these sensors cease working. So make sure that always you are either in the cine mode or the normal mode when you are flying, so that you would have your sensors work. It has another 2 sensors back here, then another 2 sensors down here. So this is a very powerful drone, a powerful piece, and it can shoot up to 5.4K. Okay, you can shoot 1080, 60 frames, 720, I think 120 frames and all that. It's a very powerful drone, and it is good for both videography and aerial videography and photography. So if you want to venture into photography business, then I recommend you going for anything DJI. Another one that I will talk about is this camera. This is the Canon 6D. Yes, the big man uses the Mark II, the R, the R6, and so on and so forth. But if you are a beginner photographer, someone that wants to explore in photography, want to start the photography journey, then I recommend you get the 6D. Yes, this 6D camera is a full frame camera, and in fact it has so much of powerful things that you would love to hear about. I wouldn't be able to tell you everything about this camera in this very video. In my subsequent videos, I am going to get time and explain to you and give you all the features of the Canon 6D camera. But trust me, if you invest your money in this 6D camera, it's worth it. And afterwards, you can get yourself a 50mm lens, which is prime lens for every beginner photographer, especially when you want to go into portrait photography. It is best you get this 50mm f1.8 lens. Thank you very much for watching this video. As usual, we come here, we tell you more about tech related stuff. Anything, any question bothering your mind, do not forget to leave it under the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Until then, bye.